All right, today we'll see a demo for MLSync. And in this example, we're going to use text classification as the machine learning project. On the left side is what developer does. On the right side is what the entire team sees. And for this example, the text classification program is taken from Hugging Face, which is a very famous natural language processing library. You don't have to know anything about this code. Don't worry about it. But all I wanted to show is for using MLSync with this, all the user needs to do is to add these several lines of code. And that should be sufficient for MLSync to start syncing all the data regarding this project. So as soon as you launch run, you can go to your MLSync dashboard, which looks like this, which has all the experiments that you're doing. And it shows all the runs that there are. For example, here after this run launched, if you go and refresh, you should see 2 runs with the best KPI. Here, loss is the KPI, which is seen there. And you have many tabs. You can see all the runs that are currently running, all their metrics, and you see all the insights which you can generate, which is generated by MLSync. For example, it's showing what parameter matters the most for your KPI. You also have things such as change log, which tells how things changed during the course of the project, and charts based on the data obtained from the project. And you can also go to workflow, which is the project management part of things, where you plan all the phases of your project, deliverables, and different cards based on that, and their statuses. So this example that you saw now is for training. Similar things are done for data set, or whether your machine learning model is production, and so on. So as a team member who's not really doing machine learning development can really understand what's happening in this project and use this page to learn and track the progress of the indicators that you want to see. We're building with many other features, and which are coming into this soon. And I think the most important one is integrations. This not only connects with all the standard AI frameworks, it also connects with tools like Notion and Jira and so on, in case you use them and you want to have this data shown there. Note that all of this is happening in real time. The real-time data is coming into the cloud version. And we'll see an example of how things will work with Notion. So for example, here, again, a similar distinction. Terminal is where developer is working on. Notion on the background is what everyone else on the team is using. And as soon as the developer starts working on or launches a run here, all that comes to Notion, which everyone on the team can track and understand. The same insights can come to Notion as well. So this is the overview of how MLSync works. In other words, it brings data from machine learning workflows and insights from them and connects them to the machine learning project management console so that the entire team can be on the same page and make decisions easily with transparency. Yeah.